it's Yari back again with Aquascape Creations. Today we have an amazing transformation from a DIY sort of pondless project waterfall to a full-on transformation that we helped our client with developing and recreating her vision. So how this project started was our client saw our waterfall display we had at the San Francisco Flower and Garden Home Show, and she instantly fell in love with the look, the idea, the natural sounds of it. And so she decided she wanted us to help her redo her pre-existing pondless waterfall and give it more of a natural look. And if you guys are interested in seeing what that pond looked like, you can check that video down in the link description below and see what truly inspired her vision. Now here's where things took a turn. Our client wanted that natural pondless waterfall in her backyard. So she had hired someone previously to us, but unfortunately, it wasn't exactly what she was looking for. So we explained to her we would have to completely redo everything, create a blank canvas, and start from scratch. The silver lining was we were able to use some of the components from the previous pond, but a lot of them had to be removed and we had to bring in new components.
Ooh, big stump. Let's take it to the dump. Wait, no, let's save it. Maybe we can use it.
We are almost complete with this project, at least the waterfall, as you guys can hear in the background. But let me move aside so you guys can enjoy this.
But this project didn't just stop at the waterfall. Our client wanted to include more plants and nature, so we created a cohesive environment full of color and rich environmental elements, such as plants, rocks, dirt, and it really does bring everything together. So the next challenge in this project was getting the excavator back here. We had to custom build this ramp contraption just to get the excavator from here up there. It was challenging, but we managed to get it done. And then came the magic. My dad, Jorge, my brother at scene, and our amazing crew helped pour their expertise and experience and create a beautiful, natural-looking pond. Every single stone is placed to replicate what you would see in real life to make it and give it that naturalistic view. To really complete the transformation on this lower area, we brought in our friends, JC Expressions Concrete, to completely redo this entire patio. I mean, just take a look at it. It's truly amazing. In order to help us and our client with the elevation levels, we decided to build a retaining wall that is able to smoothly transition all the way uphill. And there you have it, from a bumpy road beginning to a eye-capturing oasis in your backyard. We are so proud of this Pondless waterfall feature that we've created, and we are so happy we got to give our client the dream that she wanted and bring her vision to life. If you want an inside scoop of this pond, it is roughly about $35,000, but that is not including the landscaping. That is a separate investment that our client decided to make. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this incredible transformation. If you are ever interested in any of our projects or would want to see what we can do with your backyard, don't ever hesitate to call us or visit our website at aquascapecreations.com. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow us on all our social medias, hit that notification bells, and like this video if you want to see your project in the next video. Thanks, bye.